Are you a small business owner looking for your perfect website builder in 2025? Hi, I am Altaf Rahman with 17 years experience helping small business succeed online. I am here to make things simple for you. Did you know 62% of small businesses still don't have a website? In today's digital world, that's a big missed opportunity. In this video, I will show you the best website builder for small businesses in 2025 so you can get online fast, affordably and stress-free. Before diving, ask yourself, what type of website do I need? Want to sell products? Look for a strong e-commerce tools. Showcasing a portfolio, design flexibility is a must. Keeping it simple, go for easy to use, budget-friendly options. Keep things in mind and let's find the perfect platform for your business. Let's talk about Webflow. Want a website looks like $1,000,000 without spending it? Webflow's got you covered. It's perfect for creative pros, agencies or anyone who wants a unique custom design. Whether it's a landing page or portfolio, you can tweak every tiny detail. But here's the deal. Webflow is a bit more complex than some other platforms. If you are after creative freedom, it's worth it. But if you need something quick and beginner-friendly, platforms like Wix might suit you better. So for design flexibility, Webflow is amazing. For simplicity, Wix wins. Pick what works for you. Curious about Webflow? Let's see it in action. Here's the quick demo of website we built using Webflow. As a Webflow premium partner, we have used it many projects and it's a totally game changer. Let's hear from our client who is actually used the platform to take their website to the next level. Webflow is perfect for creative professionals, designers and businesses who want stunning dynamic website without writing code. If that is what you need, Webflow got you covered. Next up, Framer. If you need a modern website fast but don't want to lose style, Framer is your go-to tool. It's made for creatives who want to launch quickly without coding. Framer is a perfect for small business owners and designers who need great animation and sleek modern designs. It's fast, easy to use and great for visual projects. Now comparing Framer to Wix. Wix is easier to use but Framer shines with its smooth animation and design first approach. You won't find this transition in Wix. Let's check out the Framer side. The animations are smooth and look how it adapts and across different devices, super impressive. Framer, fast beautiful visuals but with less customization. Wix, easy to use, great for simple website. Framer's drag and drop editor is simple and its templates are fresh. If you want amazing visuals and smooth transition, Framer is the way to go. Stay tuned because at the end I will reveal a secret to cut 50% of your website cost and get a free DIY guide. Let's talk about Wix. If you are a small business owner who needs a website fast and on a budget, Wix is your best friend. We have used it for clients who needed a simple site quickly. It's easy, your site can live in a just couple of hours. It's perfect for basic business website, but if you need something very unique, it might not be the best fit. Wix Studio has a simple drag and drop builder with a lot of templates so you can create a website easily. And it's super affordable, which is great for small businesses. They also offer Wix e-commerce, so if you have online store, you can sell your products easily. Pros, very easy to use, no learning curve, affordable and flexible, ton of templates to choose from, great e-commerce tools for small stores. Cons, it can feel basic unless you customize it. Less design freedom than platforms like Webflow or Framer. Some premium plans can be pricey. If you are a small business, freelancer or hobbyist needing a website fast and without spending too much, Wix is a great choice. If you are a local business or startup on a tight budget, Hostinger is a great choice for your website. Why? Because Hostinger offers affordable plans that include both hosting and website building tools. It's perfect if you need a simple site without spending too much. Now let's compare. Hosting is budget friendly and great for local businesses, while Shopify is better for big e-commerce stores with advanced features. Here is why Hostinger is a smart pick. Affordable pricing, perfect for small businesses, good performance, your site runs smoothly without breaking the bank, easy to use, no coding needed, just drag and drop, all-in-one solution, hosting and website tools in one place. In short, you are looking simple, budget-friendly and reliable website solution, Hostinger has you covered. Last but not least, let's talk about Shopify. If you are running an online store and want to focus sales, Shopify is your go-to platform. It's perfect for managing inventory, secure payments, and tracking sales all in one place. It's a e-commerce powerhouse, especially for small businesses that want to sell online without the hassle. Here is what we love about Shopify. It's built for online stores, so it's super easy to use. Lots of apps and integrations to customize your store. Secure payment processing, no worries about transactions. Great templates to make your store look professional. But there are some downsides. It can get pricey as your store grows. Monthly fees and app cost can add up. Setting everything up can take time and money. So if you are looking build and grow your online store, Shopify is definitely worth checking out. Are you choosing Webflow or Framer for your next website project? I have got secret to help you cut 50% of your website costs and get a free DIY guide. Click the link below to access 200 plus free templates for both Webflow and Framer. Plus, you will get a step-by-step instruction on how to build your site with these templates. Whether you are beginner or improving your skills, this is the ultimate resource to create amazing websites. So, which website builder are you going to use? Drop a comment below. And if you found this video helpful, hit subscribe and ring the bell for more tips.